Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today the video is gonna be on how to install an accordion door between two rooms. And this door, it can fit on a cutout between 24 to 36 inches with a height of 80 inch. And here is all the materials that came inside the box. We got the manual here, we got some tracks, the door out there, some fasteners, hardwares, and the door handle with some grease as well to lubricate the wheels. And also we got this rail, and that's what we're gonna put on top to slide our door in. So let's get to it. First thing, I want to take the measurement, and according to that measurement I will cut my top rail. So what I'm gonna use either a tape measure, or if you have like a roller or maybe your water level, if you have a measurement on it, you can use it as well. So here the measurement, it's look like about 34 3/4 of inch, and the recommendation, the manufacturer recommendation says to leave like 1/8 of inch gap. So that's what we're gonna do. Now, before we start taking the measurement and do all the cuts, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get all the YouTubes in the future. So here, while we're taking a measurement for our rail, it looks like it's 36 inches. So we got a couple of inches we need to cut. So let's head to the cutting station. Here I'm gonna use my metal saw, my square tool, and a Sharpie. Now I just clamp it to my table, and then I start to cut. Now after we make the cut, you can use any file, sandpaper, grit 220 just to smooth out the edges so you don't get sharp edges or rough edges. Now I will dry fit it just to make sure that I got the right measurements. I'm gonna measure the middle where I'm gonna put my rail, and it's look like it's 4.5 inches. So I'll do like 2 1/4 of inch. That's my middle. And here I'm gonna use the easy lock anchors, the one that came with the kit. Okay, now after I secured my rail, what I'm gonna do, I will slide the door in the rail. But here, try to make sure the way that you want to open the door, which direction it's gonna be, so you don't get confused later on. So my fixed side, it's gonna be on my right side. Now, here is the brackets that came with the door, and I'm gonna use it to fix the stationary side of the door, which is on my right side. And I'm gonna use this rail just to draw a line in the middle and make sure it's aligned with my upper rail. Now, after I put all these brackets in place, the only thing that I need to do is to push that panel into these brackets to get them in place. And boom, we're done from one side. Still have to install the handle and the other side. Now here is the handle. It came in two pieces with the push pins. So what you need is just to push the pins on one side, slide it inside the holes, and push the other side in, and we should be good to go. Now for the last rail that we need to put in place, I'll try to align my top side with my top rail. And I'll put one screw to hold them in place. Now just double check with my water level that it's perfectly aligned. Now the last piece that we need to install is the lock-in clip. Just came with a flathead screw. So we pretty much done here installing accordion door step by step. So if you like and enjoy that video, please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel so you can get all the YouTubes that I submit. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.